Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Uber account with security checks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to your Uber account with security checks, start by launching the Uber app on your device. Enter your registered phone number or email address in the login field. Tap the next button to proceed. If prompted, enter your password to continue. Once logged in, look for any security checks that may appear. You may receive a text message or email with a verification code. Check your messages and retrieve the verification code sent by Uber. Return to the app and enter the verification code in the designated field. Tap Submit to verify your code. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your Uber account. For additional security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the icon in the top left corner. Select Account, then choose Security. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication for added protection. Remember, security checks help to keep your account safe and secure. Always use strong, unique passwords for your online accounts. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section within the app for support. Following these steps will ensure a smooth authentication process for your Uber account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.